COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
Cops
are acting like Nazis.
As a bundle of sticks. You can be saying that's a fact. You ride a big loud Harley and go up and
They made a flag to worship, now the police are making a flag to worship. They desecrated the American flag and they want you to worship it. Don't question them. I know it's a little bit harsh. I'm not a Nazi. I'm just a costume to make the point.
Many years ago, you would have had a big problem.
That's true.
It's I had a Jewish guy put a knife to my neck.
No shit.
In the post office.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because they told him that I was a fucking Nazi.
Oh my God.
And he was in a camp. He had the tattoo.
Holy shit. Wow.
And I you know, had big balls then, you know.
Right.
I was 19.
Right.
He's got the knife to my neck. Everybody's in the aisle, Kasey.
Right.
And I said, hey, you better fucking use it, pal.
Right.
Because I'm going to punch the shit out of you.
So what happened?
He put it away and I fucking hit him.
There you go. Very good.
I felt like saying a few other things, like they should have fucking burnt you too.
There you go.
But the only thing, I understand what you're doing. It's the police,
right?
And it's what you call the
police state. They're doing it on purpose to drown me out. I'm serious. You know who I think it is? It's that security guy. See, look at me a second. That security guy over there on the golf cart, I think it's his car. So they're trying to drown me out.
Well, I'll tell you. I understand.
Right.
You got everything right. The stars are on the left.
Actually, I didn't know that.
Facing, yeah.
Yeah, I did not know that.
Facing the public, the stars on the left.
I did not know that.
The only thing I don't agree with,
right,
is this flag should be on top. That's it.
Really? Okay, why? I
had a green beret. My neighbor.
Okay.
And he doesn't mind me because I put the Confederate flag up.
Very good. Okay.
I don't believe in this statue shit.
Right.
I don't believe in fucking Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, I'm a libertarian. Yeah, that's correct. I'm a libertarian.
All right.
I believe in freedom.
I got a T-shirt that says All Lives Matter.
That's right.
And guess what? I got pulled over by the police, and I'm lucky I had my Police Lives Matter shirt.
Oh, were they nice to you?
I got a freebie.
There you go.
You know?
Right.
I said, shit. But I usually keep a hat in the back, and I didn't have a chance to reach for the hat.
Right.
I have like NYPD hats.
Oh, then you'll get off of that.
But you see, this would have been dangerous years ago.
Right.
Because there was still World War II concentration people walking around.
I think they're almost all gone. Okay, this is a guy right here. BJGZ01. Who the heck is that?
I don't know. That's just a regular plate.
That's interesting. Very interesting.
So what do you feel? What are you saying? The cops are reacting?
I'm saying that the cops are acting like Nazis. Because the Nazis made a flag to worship. Now the cops took the American flag, desecrated it, and now they want you to worship this flag. You know what I know? We're supposed to be a free country, yet everything's illegal, right?
Can I ask you something?
What's that?
Where did you get the flag?
Very hard to get right now. Both of these are very, very hard to get. You have to go to a military website.
Yeah. I got a friend in Louisiana.
Right.
I get my Confederate flags there. They're not on Amazon.
Yes, they took them off. They took the Hitler flag off. They took them all off, man. It's crazy.
Look, I'm named after a guy.
Right.
My Uncle Vinny.
Okay.
My name is Vinny.
Okay.
My Uncle Vinny was killed.
See, they're doing it again.
They were killed by the Germans. He was killed by the Nazis.
Wow, no shit.
That little bulge.
Wow.
I never got to meet him.
That's heavy, man.
So, you know, I could like very easily say, hey man, like, fuck that.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Why do you say that this flag should be on top?
I see why You got it in tandem
Yes.
with the point you're making.
Yes. Yeah.
You're not out here as a Nazi.
Yeah. I'm not a Nazi.
Right.
Yeah. That's why I got the sign. Cops are acting
brown
like.
shirt.
Yes, it's a costume. That's correct. Yes, I got the socks like they used to wear.
Hey, I met a guy, young guy.
Okay.
Well, he's not that old. He's my age or whatever the fuck.
Right.
A little older than me.
Okay.
He was in the brown shirts
Wow.
before the war ended.
No shit.
And they were starting to put brown shirts, give them rifles.
Wow. No shit.
And I'm going to tell you something, man. I don't know what your ethnic background is. I'm
Right.
Italian.
Right. I'm German, actually.
You're German?
I am German.
But,
It's a strong statement.
the people
Right.
didn't want that.
Right.
Hitler did.
Right. Interesting.
He should have just put the Jews
Right.
on a fucking train and sent them to Switzerland.
That's true too.
Should
Right.
have fucking did that.
Right.
Other than that, see, I served in Germany for 19 months. In the
Yeah.
army.
Right.
And the people, like the Italians, they hooked up with the Germans.
Right. That's right. Mussolini. That's
But they
right.
were embarrassed. They were ashamed.
Wow.
That's why they dropped their weapons when the Americans came ashore.
No shit.
They wouldn't fight their brother-in-law.
Right. That's a good point.
But, the situations with the Germans,
Right.
they were forced. You get killed.
Right.
If you don't fire,
That is
you
true.
get
You
killed.
die either way.
The
Correct.
same thing was in Japan.
Right. That's true.
Those soldiers, no soldier wants to get killed.
Right. You should ask him what the Japanese did to the Philippines.
I know.
They fucked it up, man.
I know.
They treated them like slaves.
And you know who they should have a big statue of? They probably do.
Of who?
General MacArthur.
Yes, they do have a statue up, right? Yes, I think so.
You know Truman wanted them to go right to Japan.
Damn.
Right to Japan. We got all the islands. We got the airports.
Right.
And he went, whoa.
Right.
We're not going to pass up the Philippines.
That's right.
I promised to go back there.
That's
I'm going
right.
back there.
Yeah, they freed them.
Then we fucking invade Japan.
That's right.
You know, of course, there was only so many Japanese
Right.
on Philippines. It wasn't a vital spot.
Correct.
Oh, you had Americans still living in the jungle.
Yep.
Brave Filipino guerrillas.
That's right.
You Filipinos.
Oh, wow.
He looks Asian.
I know, he looked Filipino. That's what I
He
thought.
looks Asian.
Yeah.
like the word fuck.
Wow. The reason why
I don't know who my father was for 45 years.
I'm doing the bullhorn is because the Punta Gorda cop said you can say fuck, but you can't write fuck on a sign. Did you hear they made free speech illegal in Punta Gorda? It's a $100 fine if you got fuck Biden flag. $100 fine if you have fuck Trump flag.
I went to Russia,
Yes.
and I got the hammer and the sickle
Wow.
on a white shirt,
Wow.
and I'm thinking of going to a t-shirt place
Yeah.
or a hat and wear Biden.
Oh, there you
Russian
go.
shirt.
There you
Or
go.
have a shirt, Biden
Right.
and China.
That's
Well,
right.
you got these things made.
That is correct.
But I'm not going to get into an
Right.
argument with you because
Right.
the Italians were very ashamed
Right.
of what Mussolini made them look like.
That's correct.
That's why they hung them upside down.
Yes, they did. That's right.
These assholes, they make jokes.
Right.
Want to buy Italian weapons? Only drop once.
Oh,
Only
ow.
dropped once, you fuck, because they didn't want to kill us.
Wow. That's a good
And how many Germans slaughtered the Italians when they surrendered?
That's correct. That is true. That is true.
But I'm a rebel myself.
Right.
You know, like my uncle, like I said, he got killed by these guys.
Right.
But war is war.
That's right.
But really, the American flag should be on top.
I did not know that.
It should be on top.
All right.
You're favoring the Nazis over America.
Interesting. All right.
Because the guy told me I had a mixed flag,
do it again.
American and the rebel flag.
Right.
I was woven mixed.
Okay.
And he told me to scream hooray on my block, a friend of mine.
Right.
He says, Vinny, I see you got the American, you got one of them flags that are mixed.
Yes.
He goes, it still should be on the bottom. Because my regular Confederate flag is always number 2.
Right.
But this one had American in it and half.
Right.
So he says,
look, they're working together. They know that she's doing it on purpose. The guard is working with her. Oh my God.
But you've got the actual. I wouldn't mind having that as a collector's item. That's
I get.
Where did you get it?
If you look up, I don't have any cards because they came out like this. If you look up Charlotte County COPWATCH on Facebook, you can contact me from there, and I'll tell you where to get it.
Charlotte County Cop?
Yeah, Charlotte County COPWATCH. I bust bad cops.
Oh.
So I police the police. You know, the police police you. I police the police for bad cops. You know what I mean? And now it's 2 in. There we go. All right. Hey, I gotta get going anyways, and she's not gonna stop.
That's my only problem.
All right.
You should be on top.
All right. Okay. Thank you, man. Wow. Wow.
That is okay, but not all.
Tony Prummell!
I mean, there are a lot of words you can say whenever you want, you know. Pneumonia! Nobody can hear a lot of that.
You're a fucking Nazi!
There are words that you can say, no problem. Top opera!
We're acting like Nazis.
Folks,
I'm not a Nazi. So the cops are doing the same thing the Nazis did. Nazis made a flag to worship, now the cops are making a flag to worship. They are actually desecrating the American flag. And I'm not a Nazi. What's that?
I'm just checking if you're serious right now.
I actually can't hear because of the bullhorn.
I'm saying, are you seriously standing out here right now with the smells?
Yes. Yes.
I can't wait till you run out.
All right, you have a nice day, Nazi. You can go to Germany. Sounds like you don't deserve to be in America.
I got an average house.
That's right. You should just get on a train like the Jews and die, okay? Yes. Yes. Get on a train like the Jews and die. So are you, because you're un-American, you don't like free speech. Yes, I did. You are the reason why there's abortion. You are the reason why there's abortion. You are the... Oh, God, I'll turn around for this. Fuck off and die, cunt. Cops are acting like Nazis. I'm not a Nazi. The cops are acting like Nazis. And then you're a Nazi. You're part of the problem. You should go to Germany. You should fucking go to Germany. Get on a train like the Jews, you bitch. And cunt.
Your dad and I don't ever want.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
Oh, hey, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Boy, that's gonna save me an ass kicking or two.
They're acting like Nazis, man. I'm not a Nazi.
Yeah, you never know. Off color.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
Suggestive. Cursing, cussing, swearing, and all I could think of was shit, fist, fuck, cunt, cocksucker, motherfucker, and shit.
Cops are acting like Nazis. It's true.
Fuck, cunt, cocksucker, motherfucker, and shit. Not now, NWA 46. full effect. Judge Clay residing.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
The police department, prosecuting attorneys all. MC Rand, I'ma turn it around.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
Yo, and this is the sound.
Thank you.
Something like that, but it all depends on the size of the gap. Taking out a police.
Tony Pribble's a fucking Nazi! You fucking son of a bitch! Cops are acting like Nazis! I'm not a Nazi! Cops are acting like Nazis!
Everyone thinks they're total fags, right? God damn it! How can they call us fags?
And there's a Nazi right there! Oh. Cops are acting like Nazis. The cops are acting like Nazis. Yeah, the police here make a flag. They want you to worship just like the Nazi flag. That's fucked up, right? You know that that symbol used to mean a good thing, right? And then the Nazis made it bad. Now they're going to desecrate our flag, and they want you to worship this, just like they worship the Nazi flag. Very, very sad. We're supposed to be a free country, not a police.
Group ad. You should have a lot of people.
I know, but everybody's a Nazi. There's so many government workers that are like Nazis. Cops are acting like Nazis. You should. I'm not a Nazi, a Nazi. So anyways, yes. Yes, correct. That's correct.
All those people are here. Everything is, they got something different in their head.
They think everything should be illegal. It's bullcrap, right? Very, very sad. We're supposed to be a free country, not police state, right? Very, very sad. Why? Which country are you?
Me?
Yes.
I don't have a country.
Uh-oh.
I got $1 million. I travel around the world and die somewhere.
There you go.
That's my dream.
Very good.
That's, yeah.
So, why are you from Asia, where it's not free, or not really?
Well, U.S. tried to kill me.
Wow.
Trump tried to kill me, so I don't really have a country.
Damn.
Country.
Right.
Nothing to be proud of. I'm proud of being alive. Proud of being healthy.
Very good.
Enjoying my life.
Right.
Sometimes you meet young people that try to kill you.
Yep.
Sometimes you meet all kinds of people trying to kill you.
That's true.
You just gotta be protected. Protect yourself all the time and every day.
That's true.
You can get walking down the road. Somebody didn't like your shirt.
That's right.
Yeah, and if you go hang around a gas station, like different store.
Yep.
They don't like you. You hang around it for so long. They take you out.
That's right.
Person, people, if you say hi to people,
Yep.
they don't like the way you say hi to them. They don't like you. Say the manager will come out the store and say, "Sir, get out of the store," because one of the customers complaining about you because you're talking to her.
Wow.
That's how evil the world is.
It is. That is sad, man.
You just gotta find a friend.
Yes.
Close to your personality.
Yep.
And if you hang around with friends that opposite personality,
Yep.
like for example, you hang around with friends that like rap,
Yes.
and you like country,
Yes.
and you play music in the same car,
Yep.
you gotta keep changing it. I don't like that.
That's right.
You just gotta find somebody close to your match.
Well, luckily you have a bike. You can be all by yourself and do what you want, right?
Yeah.
Or do the police harass you on this one too?
Not yet.
Oh, they will. Don't worry. Yeah, because you're brown.
Yeah.
If you're white, you're fine. But if you're brown or black, they harass you.
A lot of them, they keep it hiding in their brain.
Yes.
Very few people that you met, they'll speak out.
Yes.
They don't like you.
That's correct.
Deep inside them,
They're racist.
their brain.
Yes, they're racist. Yep.
Because you might, somebody might sue you.
That's right.
Somebody might beat you up.
That's right.
That's why everything is, they keep it hidden here.
Yep.
The only way to read people's mind is to hang around with them.
That's right.
But the beginning, when you hang around with them, they
Yes.
don't tell you nothing.
That's why there's almost all white people here. They don't allow brown people and black people to harass them. Very sad. Yeah. Like I said, I'm shocked they haven't harassed you for that. Because everything's illegal.
Yeah.
Well, you got your blinker light or not yet?
Long time ago, like 10 years ago, I have a Filipino friend.
Yes.
A Philippines flag. He was so proud. He was born in America.
Yes.
He was so proud of his blood.
Yes.
Being Filipino. So he put a flag behind his car, a big flag, almost the size of that.
Yes.
And he got pulled over by a cop.
Oh my God.
A flag from international.
Wow.
He took it out.
Wow. That's racist.
And, yep. And then there was an older police car. I put a neon light on my car. Neon
Yes.
light.
Yes.
I was young.
Yep.
I want to try to make my car attractive.
Yep.
I put a neon light on my car, and it was pink.
Yes.
And the cop said it was red. So they pulled me over and they told me to take it out.
Oh my God.
Sort of pulling over.
Again, it's because you're brown. They think you're Mexican, man.
They didn't know.
You should have started speaking Spanish.
Well, to me, that's my opinion.
Yes.
Cops get bored.
Yes.
Get really bored. They go round and round and round.
And harass people.
And probably that's what it is. I think they make up stories. Just, pull you over. I think,
In America, it's called policing for profit.
Yeah.
It is. Policing for profit. Very sad. In your country, you're probably more free than here.
That's the only reason.
It's
Without
more
me,
free, but
you personally,
yeah,
every
but
fucking
if you
white
kill
guy
somebody
still
down
around,
there,
I'll take
You'll be dead?
they won't find you and you'll be dead.
Yeah, you'll be dead. That's correct. Yes, you're a dictator. He kills people, right? Duterte kills people, right? Yeah. If you do drugs, you're dead, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yep. I hear about it. The motorcycle will pull up. The other one will shoot you in the head, right? Yep.
You know about it.
I know about it.
You're good. You do
Yeah.
research there.
I do research it.
Good, man.
But here they put you in jail and then let you die. Very sad.
They put you in jail. And then once you get out,
Yep.
they meet regular people at work.
Yes.
And yeah, they pay you in prison to feed you.
That's correct.
They don't tell people you got food stamp. Because some people say, oh, I'm paying for your food stamp.
That's right.
Yeah, don't tell them that. Because people, like my neighbor,
Yep.
for example, know somebody that had a food stamp.
Yes.
And he's, paying, my neighbor's paying for his food stamp.
That's right.
My neighbor's paying for people in prison.
That's right.
Yeah, that's the reason why you gotta keep everything secretly.
That's right.
Spit everything out. Somebody that you talk to might not like you.
Cops are acting like Nazis. I'm not a Nazi. So the cops are doing the same thing the Nazis did. Nazis made a flag to worship. Now the cops are making a flag to worship. They're actually desecrating the American flag. And I'm not a Nazi. What's that?
I'm just checking you're serious right now.
I actually can't hear because of the bullhorn.
I'm saying, are you seriously standing out here right now with this West?
Yes. Yes.
Can't wait till you run over.
All right. You have a nice day, Nazi. You can go to Germany. It sounds like you don't deserve to be in America.
I got an average house.
That's right. You should just get on a train like the Jews and die, okay? Yes. Yes. Get on a train like the Jews and die. So are you, because you're un-American, you don't like free speech. And yes. Yes, I did. I did. You are the reason why there's abortion. You are the reason why there's abortion. You are the... Oh, God, I'll turn around for this. Fuck off and die, cunt. So, yeah, that one wants to kill me. Yes, that is correct. That's correct. Yep,
Everybody sleep, they got different stuff in their brain.
that is correct. It's crazy, man.
Why you decided to do this?
Because the cops are like we say, the cops are busting people for everything, right? Everybody's in jail, everybody's paying a fine, so I tell the truth. The cops are acting like Nazis. They are. Hitler would be proud of the cops. Very sad. Yep. That's right. Well, I hope they don't bust you on the bike. You got your light on the back? Okay, very good. Yeah, they love to pull people over for no light. Stupid.
Twice in my life with no lights.
Wow. Wow, very sad. Yep. Yep.
As I got older, I learned you gotta learn your mistake.
Well, you got to learn everything's illegal.
Gotta learn everything.
You know, in the Philippines, you can, if the cop pulls you over, you can give them money and then it's all done. That's right. That's right. But here, you go to jail. Yep, very sad. So, that's why I'm out here letting people know they're like Nazis. Yes. Because it's true. Yes. You're going to lose your job, said the blind guy captain, right? Yeah. Yeah, very sad. Yes.
Anybody there, like once or twice a day.
That's right. That's right. Yep.
That's why they pull over every little thing sometimes.
Yes, they do. Yep. Very sad. They will pull you over for being brown. It is.
Some don't. I think some yes. It don't depend on cops.
Right. Many cops here are racist. Super racist. Yes. Very, very sad. And then I play the music on the horn because Punta Gorda, the police said you can say fuck, but you can't write fuck. So I get the horn to play fuck.
Really?
Yes. Punta Gorda banned free speech.
Oh, really?
Yes, $100 fine.
Yeah. I think, 3 years ago,
Yep.
I was walking on the sidewalk, Punta Gorda.
Yes.
Sidewalk.
Yes.
They pulled me, cop pulled me over for, well, I don't know what he did, but he pulled me over for no reason.
I believe it because you're brown, man. I'm serious. It's not a joke. It's real. They think you're illegal Mexican, so they want to harass you.
Really?
Yes. You
Yeah, they can't read their mind. I wish I could read their
right.
mind. But that's the problem. They pull me over, I said, leave me alone.
Yep.
They still pull me over.
That's
and
right.
they call about 3 more cops.
Wow.
Walking on the sidewalk.
That is sad.
Yeah, that's...
Did they illegally search
I
you?
told them I got bad day, please leave me alone. I didn't do nothing.
Right.
And they said there was somebody just like me.
That's a lie. That's a racist lie.
So like I told you, pick up a story just to pull you over.
Yes.
You know?
All the time.
And like I said, they get bored sitting in the car or driving around.
That's right.
But, you know, I can't do nothing about it.
You know their boss tells them they have to pull the people over, right?
I think that's what it is.
Yes, it is the way it is. Absolutely. Very, very sad. So that's why I come here to let the people know they're acting like Nazis. Yes. I am doing people power like the Philippines did. You remember the Philippines does people power?
Yeah.
You get rid of Marcos.
Yeah.
Yes, Marcos was bad, right? Yeah.
There's 3 or 4 guys here. I want you to teach.
Cops are acting like Nazis. Are you part of the Nazis? You're part of the government. That's kind of Nazi. You should not be proud of that. That's a white-collar criminal right there. They're stealing your money with outrageous pay benefits and retire that is unsustainable. So they're stealing your money right now.
So there's 4 guys.
Yes, they work for the
They
government.
don't like you. 1 or 3 of them, maybe some of them don't like you.
Yes, they are stealing your money from outrageous pay, benefits, and retirement. Yes, it's true.
Yeah, bro. Just put up with all the crap in the world, man.
That's right,
Keep
man.
surviving, keep alive. Keep
That's
safe.
right. I will do that, man. You do that too,
I tried.
right?
Sometimes you take your sip all the time. Sometimes you die from something.
Yes,
You know?
that is
You're
true.
riding in the car
Yep,
and somebody behind you falling asleep,
that's right.
texting,
That's right.
and boom,
You're done.
you're done, man.
Very sad, man.
Welcome to life.
That,
Life is a mystery.
that's right. Nobody lives forever,
What
man.
happened in your life?
That's why I'm fighting for freedom while I'm alive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's your opinion. Everybody's got different opinions.
That's right.
Like I said at the beginning, they like you. Some people like you, some people don't. So
That's correct.
it's very hard.
It is. I agree.
But I'm surprised you're the only one here, man.
There's going to be more people tonight.
Are they helping you out?
Yeah, later tonight. Yes. Yes.
Maybe they're working probably.
Yes, yes. So I'm just starting out. Correct. Yep. So you have to do a protest someday too, man. Or they will deport you. Will they deport you or no?
Well, to be honest with you, what I learned in America
Yes.
is what I learned. This is what I learned.
Yes.
You hang around with Native American, you're white,
Yes.
you become enemies.
Yep.
You know Native American, right?
Yes.
The original.
Yes. Correct.
You hang around with them, you're white.
Yes.
You got into fight with them, argue with them.
Yep.
They'll probably tell you to go back to Europe.
Wow.
Okay.
Yep.
And then, because this land actually was, the Native American, don't like a European land thief.
Correct.
Land thief.
Yep.
The white land thief, they stole this America.
That's right.
And then they got the slave here.
That's right.
That's why, they're walking around in America.
Now we're slaves. We're working. We're paying taxes for all these government workers in there. It's very sad. Do you get all the benefits they do? No. Right?
Yeah.
That's because you're a slave to them. Very sad.
Yeah, I gotta go there and fix my problem.
That's right.
Yeah. Some guy, my car broke down. And Tampa.
Oh, wow.
The tow truck,
Yes.
he forgot to turn in my driver license, my plate.
Yes.
So I gotta go down and fix it. Make sure I don't get any bad error
Yes.
on my driver license.
That's right. Wow.
Because I might get pulled over one of these days
That's right.
because I didn't turn in my plate.
That's right.
So I gotta fix it. I told the guy, the tow truck, to turn it in.
Right.
He never turned it in.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Not good. Well, you gonna go fix it right now?
I got lots of time.
Got it. Got it. Because you know they have the DMV in there, right? Yes.
You need a chair? I'll get you a chair.
No, I'm good, man. I'm gonna be here for a little while more, then I'm gonna go get the other people come back later. Yes. Because we're gonna do people power. Yes.
I wish I had $1 million, bro.
Right?
I'll go see the world. Every single country I travel the world, bro.
There you go, man.
You can travel with me.
Right? So I can protest everywhere?
Some people might not know anything about it.
That is correct. Right?
The world, see the view.
That's correct.
But it costs money to travel. Though.
That's right. Why, are they gonna like the flag?
What's the color there? The white strap. I see it all the time in people's car. I don't know what it means. What's the white strap for? What's the white strap?
This one?
Yeah, the flag there, the white one. Right, the line. What is the white piece?
I'm not sure.
And then the black stripe, I don't even know what that means.
Cops are acting like Nazis. Yep. I know, doesn't care.
Doesn't care. I don't even know if they like it or not.
Because they're retired and I'm working to pay for their stuff, their Medicare, Medicaid,
Oh, I see how it is.
retirement. Yeah, so I'm supposed to be just a good little slave and lay down, right?
Can't you see I need you so?
Very, very sad.
Hold me close against your skin.
Why? What? So you're just gonna ride your bike today? That's it?
About to begin.
But no, I got nothing else to do.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No friends, no.
Sit on your
You can go make a sign and protest. You can go make a sign and protest.
Somebody might write me. Like my secret.
Maybe.
Tell me how big they are.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
Honey, rub your fever up and down my face.
Appar-
I'll get a sign there. People might
Sit
not
on
like
the
me and think
corner
they're
of the
over.
bed and watch me walk off.
Maybe.
Scary.
Maybe.
You see that shampoo bottle now? Stick it up my ass. Push it in and out. Tied up.
What's that?
Listen that way.
Talk about your own
Maybe later.
dick and how big it was.
People know it.
Now
Yes,
shave off my
I agree.
pubes and punch me in the face. Oh, darling, make me push my dick and ball back between my legs.
They're taking pictures.
Ugly woman, and take my picture.
They're taking pictures.
All the people, right, right. Now pull up my scrotum and take the shampoo bottle out of my ass.
Wow.
Pretend I'm the pizza delivery guy.
Thank you. See, they like it. They like it. Yes.
Drop on a dildo and make me give you head. Tell me to slow down and
Yes.
do it.
Charlotte County COPWATCH.
I feel so humiliated. I'm up down the road my load.
What's that?
Time to make love, but now I can't 'cause I'm chewed all over myself.
Right, that's fine.
When you look into my eyes, when you realize how much I love you. I'm so
Yes. Yes.
Maybe next time
Because they know it's true.
Charlotte County what?
Charlotte County COPWATCH.
Charlotte County COPWATCH.
Yes. Cops are acting like Nazis. There's a Nazi right there. That's a Nazi.
Some golden put out the sky.
Nazi!
I don't know, man.
I know. I don't think they like it, man. They know it's true.
Oh, what a life.
I know.
Been around anywhere. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you?
The old people love this flag.
In that fucking corner, plugging one out.
Yes.
Think so?
Not really.
Yeah, some old people might like it, might not.
That's correct. They know I'm telling the truth. But they want me to be a slave and keep working to pay for their shit. Very sad.
You're always calling people cunts or twats. You're a good kid. And you're a good cunt. You're a bunch of pathetic, soup-worshipping cunts, Sergeant fucking Highlander. Calling it the cunts around me now. I was fucking cunts.
Where's the cop?
Ah, there's another Nazi. The Nazis are everywhere.
Who are the ones that fucking created them?
Are they going to pull you over because you're talking to me?
He can if he wants to.
I know, maybe. Wow.
It all depends on, like I said, it all depends on police. Good.
I tried to
It
tell
all
them.
depends on them.
That's right.
If they get bored enough, they come in here.
That's right.
They don't like getting out, they'll just move around.
Exactly.
It all depends.
Very.
Good days and bad days.
That's right. Very, very sad.
There's one there.
Yeah, that's another Nazi. He has the badge. He's working.
Is that what it is?
Yes, he wants you to be a slave and pay for all of his shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though you don't get all that shit, he wants you to pay for all of his shit.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
When are you gonna post that? Are you gonna edit it first?
Of course. So yeah, it'll be hours.
Yeah.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
Okay, one minute. Cut. Oh, Jim! Cut! Over here!
I'm not pulling you over because.
This is on the sidewalk, legal.
Yeah.
Cops are acting like Nazis.
I think you've been doing this for a while, bro.
Yes,
How long you been doing that?
many, many months.
You know your mistake, huh?
Yes, yes. No, no mistake. Cops are acting like
There's
Nazis.
a guy just like you. He went to prison.
Yes, that's right. Ian McGuire. That's right.
I wanted to boost.
But he did super bad stuff. He tried to kill people by cop.
Yeah, he had a lot of guns.
Yes, you can have guns, but you cannot try to kill people by cop.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think so, yeah.
yes. Yeah, he's in prison 5 years.
Yeah, so I haven't seen his video.
Yep. No, they took it down. Yep.
Then he stepped that guy. Yeah.
Yeah, he did some very, very bad stuff.
Boy, the pistol.
I don't want to go to prison, so I'm not going to do any bad stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know that this is free speech, right?
I don't know anything about any kind
This is free speech, First Amendment.
I see that sign there, the movies thing, most of the time.
Yes.
But I don't know anything
You
about
can't have a
this.
cunt like me around that.
Yeah, they desecrate the flag, they take the American flag, and they make it the police flag. Yes, not good. Now they want you to worship this flag just like the Nazis worship that flag. Very sad. It's so heavy, it's going in the dirt, man. Cops are acting like Nazis!
Feel so close to you right now. It's a
He likes it.
Guy there, yeah.
I see you walking around, I'm creeping
They love the music.
up where your booty feels.
Yes, the music is so good.
I've got my box of good pics, send it to you, you should click. Yeah, look at that, that's my dick. But now I'm so
All right, man. You have a good day, man. There you go. If the police pull you over, tell them COPWATCH said hi. Okay. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Just say yes, whatever you want to ask, I give it to you. Here, driver's license.
That's right. Right.
Don't know what to say.
Yep.
You lost.
There you go.
You just gotta be smart.
Yes. Cops are acting like Nazis. I can't tell if he likes it or not. I don't think he likes it.
Not very many people here, but
I know. That's correct. I think they like the music more. Yeah. He likes it. He likes it. Yes, he knows what it means. Cops are acting like Nazis.
I
Yes.
Some people might like you, some people don't. So it all depends on people.
That's right.
Yeah, just good luck, man.
Okay, man. You have a good day, man.
I'm bored. I gotta drive around.
That's right. You got to get exercise, man.
By the way,
Right.
69 is
All right. See you, man.
That's why it should be 69. But only if it is used as a sexual act. Fisting